We all have dreams, right? Yep. Highr will help you fulfill them. Liran, the stage is yours.
Hello everyone, my name is Liran and I'm the CEO and founder of Highr. It's great to be here. We built Highr with a very clear goal. We want to empower people, we want to empower you to follow your dreams when you're thinking about your career. Take a look at this number. 80% of the people that have jobs today thinking of upgrading their job. It means that most of us have something in our mind that we considered as a better job for us. Let's see some examples. For example, there are many people dreaming about doing relocation, and others want to make more money from their job. Some of us want to get promoted or work on specific industry, like in drones or in mobile, etc. And of course, there are others that are looking for a better work-life balance to spend more time with their friends and family. I know that most of you don't know what is it. Now, in reality, this is the dreams that we all have when we're thinking about our next job. But in reality, only 20% of us actively looking for new opportunities. So, when you think about it, why most of the people stay passive when it comes to their career? You see, they are facing three main barriers that prevent them to do so. The first one is efforts. Finding a new job requires today a lot of efforts. You need to write your CV, contact recruiting agencies, speak with your friends, search on job boards. We don't have time for this. And the second thing is that we are afraid. We are afraid that someone in our company will find out that we might be looking for other opportunity, and we don't want to take risks. And the third thing is that what we call blindness. We are not really aware to what is out there and what we can get there. So we built a platform that basically eliminates those barriers for you and provide you a secure solution to discover which are the companies that are ready to give you what you really want. And let's see how it works. So the first thing you get, we ask you when you get into the platform, is to tell us what you want. So you can select from a variety of options like relocation, better compensation, new technologies, type of companies, you name it. Now the second thing we take from you is your skill set and experience. But in order to make you feel secure, we are anonymizing your professional profile. Once it's done, you can sit back and our technology will start show your anonymous profile to the companies that work with our platform. And the companies can approach you only if they have something to offer you that meet your expectation. Otherwise, they cannot approach you. When you get an offer from a company, you can easily see who is the company, how they are going to meet your expectation in case they're going to hire you, and then you get a lot of information about the company, the team behind it, the product, the status of the company, immediate code, whatever it takes in order for you to make a smart decision and decide whether to accept the offer and expose your real identity to the company or pass it. Our technology also shows you real-time data about how your expectations meet the real demand out there, and in case your expectations are too high, we're going to let you know so you can adjust accordingly and get more offers. That's it. No, you don't take any risk, you don't invest any efforts, and you can easily see who are the companies that are ready to offer you what you really want. Now let's talk about the companies. So we all know that the companies want to target the passive candidate. There was a good session on it. And you know, the main channel for them to do so is through LinkedIn. But the problem is that LinkedIn doesn't show them anything about what those candidates want. So what they do is what we call spray and pray. It means that they are approaching as many candidates as they can. But what happens is that there is a big noise of spamming of many irrelevant candidates with irrelevant offers. And the response rate today on LinkedIn stands in average on 6%. It's basically waste of time to both of the site. Now, let me show you the companies that work with Highr in the last 6 months and approached to thousands of candidates has a response rate of 78%. Basically, working with Highr in order to attract passive job seekers is 13 times more efficient than any other tool out there, such as LinkedIn. And the reason it's so efficient is because we make sure that only highly relevant offers will be sent to the candidates. This is where we're standing today. We started operating in the Israeli market 6 months ago. We have thousands of top-tier candidates, and we are working with the best brands. You can see some of them right here. Based on the success in Israel, we started to operate in the US recently, focusing on the Silicon Valley, and we are happy to see the same reaction to our platform, both from the candidates and from the companies. Another two interesting facts, 87% of the people that register with Highr got at least one approach from a company. Another interesting is that 15% of the offers that is being sent on Highr are relocation offers. We are living in a global world, and there are many companies from Berlin, London, New York that are approaching Israeli engineers that are ready to relocate through our platform. And the best thing about, and most exciting thing for us is to see that Highr generate dozens of successes. You can see some of the companies that hired high talent here. So we are Highr, and I ask you to go and join us and follow your dreams. I'm sure you're going to love it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Liran.